Hey guys, I'm Lulu. Welcome back to the channel. So let's take a look at the effect of installing the BONOSS with spacers and shell type wheelbase kit. Each set of BONOSS grade 12.9 shell type wheelbase kit has 4 pieces locking wheel bolts and a lock key. Compared with ordinary locking wheel bolts, BONOSS uses a special spline lock design, matching the lock key to ensure uniqueness of the product. By installing this wheelbase kit, can protect your value wheels from theft and have higher security. Now use a torque wrench to tighten the wheel bolts. The BONOSS Forge Grade 12.9 shell type wheelbase kit adopts a 2-pieces design. The shell packed with better materials and different colors to bring a more satisfactory overall appearance. Installing BONOSS Forge Grade 12.9 shell bolt kit is a way of expressing owner's personality. While obtaining a better appearance, it can also ensure the driving safety of the vehicle. For more information about the BONOSS with spacers and the shell type wheelbase kit, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.